Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best tennis rackets. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Struggling to control your shots? Feeling your tennis racket is too heavy, too stiff, or just not giving you enough power? Most beginner and recreational players lose points not because of skill, but because of the wrong racket setup. Meet the Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3 Adult Recreational Tennis Racket from Wilson, a lightweight, power-focused racket designed for easy playability and comfort. Lightweight frame, 0.24 kilograms, easy swing speed, less arm fatigue. Hammer technology, extra power with minimal effort. Oversized head, larger sweet spot for more forgiving shots. Graphite composite frame, balanced mix of strength and flexibility. Recreational-friendly design, perfect for learning and casual matches. Comfort grip, 4 3/8 inches, stable hold for better control. Pros: very easy to swing. Great power for beginners. Forgiving sweet spot. Comfortable for long play sessions. Cons: not ideal for advanced competitive players. Less control compared to high-end pro rackets. Slightly bulky head design. This racket is perfect for beginners learning tennis fundamentals, casual or recreational players, players who want more power with less effort, anyone with arm fatigue using heavier rackets. Priced around $169, it offers solid value for entry-level to recreational players who want comfort, power, and easy handling without a steep learning curve. Number 4. Meet the Babolat Pure Drive Wimbledon 11th Gen Tennis Racket from Babolat, a premium all-court racket built for explosive power, modern spin, and high-level performance with a Wimbledon-inspired navy and gold design. This racket is engineered for serious performance. Explosive power frame, generates effortless speed on ground strokes. Graphite construction, lightweight yet extremely stable for control. Spin-friendly design, helps create heavy topspin shots with ease. Improved feel, 11th Gen tech, better feedback on every hit. All-court versatility, performs well from baseline to net. Balanced weight, 0.51 kilograms, stability without losing maneuverability. Wimbledon edition styling, premium navy and gold aesthetic. Pros: excellent power generation. Great spin potential. Solid stability and control balance. Premium build quality and design. Cons: can feel powerful for absolute beginners. Slightly higher price point. Not the most arm-friendly for very sensitive players. Perfect for intermediate to advanced players. Players who rely on power plus topspin gameplay. Baseliners who hit aggressive shots. Anyone upgrading from beginner rackets. At around $238, it sits in the premium category but delivers pro-level power, spin, and control balance, making it a strong value for serious players. Number 3. Meet the Wilson Ultra 108 version 4.0 Performance Tennis Racket from Wilson, a comfort-focused, easy power racket designed for beginners and intermediate players who want effortless performance. This racket is built for comfort, forgiveness, and easy play. Oversized 108 head, huge sweet spot for more consistent hits. Easy power frame, generates depth with minimal effort. Lightweight feel, 0.6 pounds, fast swings and reduced arm fatigue. 45-degree carbon tech, improves stability and control during impact. Strung with Sensation 16 strings, comfortable feel and good vibration dampening. Beginner-friendly design, very forgiving on off-center shots. Pros: extremely forgiving sweet spot. Lightweight and easy to swing. Comfortable for long matches. Good power for beginners. Cons: not ideal for advanced competitive players. Less precision compared to smaller head rackets. Can feel too powerful for control-focused players. Perfect for beginners learning tennis fundamentals. Intermediate players wanting extra forgiveness. Players with arm fatigue or elbow sensitivity. Casual or recreational tennis sessions. Priced around $149, this racket offers excellent value for comfort and forgiveness. It's a strong choice if you want easy power plus large sweet spot without spending premium level money. Number 2. Meet the Babolat Boost Drive Strung Tennis Racket from Babolat, a lightweight, beginner-friendly tennis racket designed for easy learning, smooth swings, and fast improvement. This racket is built to make tennis simple and fun. Ultra lightweight, 0.34 kilograms, easy to swing, great for quick reactions. Graphite frame, strong yet flexible for smooth performance. Easy power design, helps generate depth without much effort. Beginner-focused build, very forgiving on off-center hits. Comfortable grip, 4 1/8 inches, designed for smaller hands and youth players. Pre-strung setup, ready to play right out of the box. Pros. Extremely lightweight and easy to handle. Great for beginners and youth players. Comfortable and arm-friendly. Ready to use immediately. Cons. Not suitable for advanced or competitive play. Limited power compared to higher-end rackets. Smaller grip may not suit adult players. Perfect for kids and youth beginners. First-time tennis players. Players learning basic technique. Casual practice and school sports. At around $109, it's a budget-friendly entry racket that delivers excellent value for beginners who want something light, simple, and easy to learn with. Number 1. Meet the Wilson US Open BLX 100 Adult Recreational Tennis Racket from Wilson, a lightweight, easy-to-use tennis racket designed for all skill levels with a smooth blend of power and control. This racket is built for simple, comfortable performance. Graphite BLX frame enhances feel and reduces vibrations. Lightweight build, 300G, easy swing speed in quick reactions. Balanced power and control, ideal for recreational and improving players. Shock reduction technology, smoother impact on every shot. Comfort grip, 4 3/8 inches, stable handling for better control. All-level friendly design, works well for beginners to intermediate players. Pros. Very easy to swing and control. Comfortable feel with reduced vibration. Good balance of power and control. Suitable for most players. Cons. Not a high-end competitive racket. Less spin potential than modern pro frames. Basic design compared to newer models. Best for / who should buy, 0 to 20 seconds. Perfect for beginners and recreational players. Players upgrading from entry-level rackets. Casual weekend tennis matches. Anyone wanting a lightweight, comfortable racket. At around $102.42, it's a budget-friendly all-round tennis racket that delivers solid comfort, easy handling, and reliable performance for everyday play. If you're interested, check the link in the description for the best current deal. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tennis racket reviews and buying guides.